headlands. So you're only 10 minutes away from each city. But Paresa is all about natural greenery, privacy, pool villas, and you can see here that every room has a view of the ocean. So you can really get away. It's great for families. We have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, up to 4 or 5 bedroom options. So you can come either as a honeymooner and just witness some peace and privacy, or you can come as a family together, and you can actually take one of our whole grand villas together. But we're trying to be a home away from home. So we cater for different needs. If you need something, we'll try and help you out. It's really a unique experience here. We're very small, so we can do everything for you and for your guests. And we hope to see you here soon. Thank you.
And so what about the food and all? For the Indian people, yeah.
Right, for the Indian people. So our chef currently is a Korean Australian who cooks Indian. We also have a lot of Indian restaurants very nearby. So we can cater for Jainism, Jain food, or vegetarian. And because we are personal, just because we don't have it on the menu, we can make it. So you can either let us know before or even on the spot. You see, we're tailor-made.
Okay.
So if you come and say, listen, can you go and get me something like this from the market, or this fish, or this vegetable, we'll go and do it and cook it for you.
Oh, great.
We'll always say yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can is our motto.
Oh, that's great. Nice meeting you, Anthony.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.